Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a crucial feature on WhatsApp Web that allows you to control who sees your status updates. If you're looking to maintain some privacy while still keeping your friends and family updated, this tutorial is for you. Let's dive into how to hide your status from specific contacts on WhatsApp Web on your PC with the latest updates. First, open WhatsApp Web on your PC by visiting the official website and scanning the QR code with your phone. Once you're logged in, you'll see a familiar interface that mirrors the mobile app. On the left side of the screen, you'll find a menu where you can navigate to different sections of WhatsApp. To manage your status privacy, click on the status option from this menu. This will take you to the page where you can view and manage all your status updates. Now, to adjust who can see these updates, you need to access the status privacy settings. Look for the three dots at the top right corner of the status page and click on them. From the drop-down menu, select Status Privacy. This will open a new window where you can control who sees your status updates. In the status privacy settings, you'll find three main options: My Contacts Accept, and Only Share With. To hide your status from specific contacts, choose My Contacts Accept. This option allows you to exclude certain people from viewing your status updates while still sharing them with the rest of your contacts. Now, select the contacts you want to exclude from seeing your status. You can scroll through your contact list and check the boxes next to the names of those you wish to hide your status from. Once you've made your selections, confirm the changes by clicking Done. By following these simple steps, you've successfully hidden your WhatsApp status from specific contacts on WhatsApp Web. This feature gives you the flexibility to manage your online presence while maintaining relationships with those who matter. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.